Hi everyone, this is attorney Delia Franco. I'm an immigration lawyer and I'm here to talk about the new president-elect Biden and the changes that he promises during his administration. Also, we'll talk about recommendations and how to prepare if you want to start an immigration case during this presidency. But before that, I want to say happy Thanksgiving, not only to you, but to your family members. I hope that everybody is healthy and staying safe and keeping their social distance. I know it's very difficult because we're so used to having Thanksgiving together in union, eating food at our table. However, this year it'll be a little bit different. We may be Skyping, we may be using Zoom and teleconference, but we are still together. So I really hope that everybody is keeping their distance and being safe and definitely keeping in touch via other methods with your family members. I personally am very thankful for my mother's health. I'm thankful for my friends, and I'm really thankful for all of the victories that we've had. Even though it's been a very difficult 4 years, we have had many clients that we were able to help in obtaining their work permits, their residencies, their citizenship. We've received tons of pictures with our clients with their mask and their residencies, and that really brings each and every one of our team members a lot of joy. So thank you for that. Okay, now we're going to talk about the changes. What are the changes that Biden's administration is already talking about? The very first one, and I'm very happy to announce, is that the DACA program will be in full vigor starting January 20th, 2021. So what does that mean? That means that maybe you were not able to take advantage of the DACA program when it started. This is a very good time to submit that application for the very first time. Also, for those that let it lapse, maybe they did initially apply for a work permit, but then they didn't apply years later. This is a time to reapply. Another great benefit that we used to have before this administration was what we call advance parole. This was a request to exit the country. Maybe there was an educational opportunity, maybe there was an emergency and you had a family member that was sick abroad. Well, it's gonna come back. That means that we can request that advance parole, that exit from the country temporarily, and you can come back legally. And what does that mean? For those people that, let's say, are married to a United States citizen, that legal entry will allow you to do what is called an adjustment of status and obtain your residency in the United States without having to do consular processing and having to leave the country and attend an interview at the consulate. So I definitely recommend that if that is a possibility for you, definitely take advantage starting next year. Okay. Very well. Another positive recommendation or another positive announcement by the Biden administration is that TPS is gonna come back. That means that there's going to be extensions for those people that are protected under the temporary protected status. This is for our friends that are Nicaraguans, from Honduras, and also El Salvador. Another thing that has been talked about quite a bit is that in the first 100 days during this Biden's administration, there will be reverses in changes, negative changes that were made during the Trump administration. We don't know specifically what that is going to entail, but we will happily announce as soon as we have more information. So what are our recommendations? My first recommendation for you, if you're thinking about starting an immigration case, or if you're hoping to take advantage of maybe some type of reform, some type of program that's much more permanent during the Biden administration, my recommendation is start investigating your situation now. Let's say you have a border detention. Let's say you were arrested in the past. Or let's say that you submitted an application with a notary, with another lawyer, or maybe you were in court before and you really don't know what happened. You need to have all that straightened out before you apply for any type of relief. What does that mean? You need to request your files. These files may take anywhere from months to years to obtain. You want to make sure that you know where you're standing if you're going to apply for any type of immigration application in the future. So this is a good time to start preparing for that. Please speak with a lawyer that is experienced, that cares about your case, and of course somebody that will take the time and energy to really focus on your specific individual situation. So that is one of my recommendations. Another thing is, we told a lot of our clients, you know, it's better if you wait during this administration. Wait it out. Do not submit any paperwork because maybe this particular negativity is in your case and another administration would treat it better, or the discretion during this administration is just not a good one. So for those people, this is the time to see a lawyer, of obviously an ethical lawyer that has your best interest, but this is the time to rethink, can I submit that application that I was thinking about in the past? Maybe this is a good time. So my recommendation, start speaking to those lawyers. And the last thing I want to discuss, our firm. So our firm is not only a Los Angeles based firm. We are able to represent people from all over the United States. We practice what is federal immigration law, which means each and every one of our lawyers will happily attend an interview or a court hearing anywhere in the 50 states. So if you have a family member, a friend, or someone that you would like to refer, we are happy to take their case. We obviously will meet through teleconference, through Zoom, through Google Meets, and we will make that consultation. Eventually, if there's an interview or a scheduled hearing where we need to attend, we will happily go to your state. So I just wanted to go ahead and mention that. Again, thank you so much for your time. Happy Thanksgiving, and hopefully I'll hear from each and every one of you soon. Have a good one. Bye-bye.